Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you've seen this face, hello, hi. My name is Topsy. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this video is probably the easiest video I've ever filmed in terms of prep time. As you can see, I do not have any makeup on. I only have my lip balm to keep my lips from cracking. So that's all I have on. So I'm going to share with you my top 5 moisturizers, and I'm also going to give you tips on how I've been aging like fine wine. I am going to reveal how old I am in this video. I might regret this decision, but hey, no big deal, it's just age. So if you would like to know all of this info, then keep watching. I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 moisturizers, face moisturizers. So I just figured, why come here with a face full of makeup when I'm talking about skin? If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I'm very big on skin. As much as I love makeup, I love skincare even more, because I believe that you need to have a great base in terms of your skin to make your makeup look flawless. So I'm always very big on skincare and making sure that you're taking care of your skin. I do have I don't want to say a ton of videos, but I have some videos, and I actually believe that I have a playlist, and I'll link it somewhere in this video for you guys, where I've talked extensively and I've shared my products that I use, my favorite skin products, my skincare routine and things of that nature. So if you would like to check out those videos, I would link it somewhere for you in this video. Every time I say that I'm no spring chicken, the most asked question, apart from asking what my skincare routine is or products that I use, has always been, how old am I? I've always shied away from answering this question. I don't know why, but now I'm thinking, what's the big deal? It's just age. And yes, I'm happy to share how old I am with you guys in this video. It's not really a secret per se, but I just never really mention it. But a lot of people do ask me, your girl is about to be 40 next month. Yes, you heard me right. 40. I don't know where those years have gone, but thank God I don't look like what I've been through. Let's just put it that way. Yeah, a lot of people think that I'm still in my 20s, and I take that as a massive compliment, because that obviously means that I look younger than I am. So yeah, that's the big secret. That's a question you guys keep asking me, and I keep not answering. But yeah, I'm about to be 40, and it's cool with me. I'm okay with it. Ask me next month for an update though, but I'm okay with it, honestly. Yeah, so that's it. Let's get on to my tips for looking younger than you really are. Just a few tips. I mean, things that are pretty much obvious. There's nothing special about them, but I'll share with you the things that I have done that I believe, apart from genetics, obviously that would play a role in the way I look or the way I age. I'll share some things that I've done over the years that I believe that has helped me, and I might help you. If you're much younger than me, then you can start adopting these tips. If you're older than me or you're about the same age, it's never too late to incorporate good practices into your life. So either way, however old you are, this will be beneficial to you. So my first tip is to establish a good skin routine from as soon as you can. I started a skin routine for myself from when I was 15. That might be too old for some people. You might have started when you were 10, but I didn't have a proper skin routine in place till I was 15. And from the age of 15 till now, I do this every day, consistently. I don't skip a day. It's like brushing my teeth. It's become a norm for me. So establish a skin routine for yourself and stick to it. Do it every day, twice a day, morning, night. And for ladies that wear makeup, or even men that wear makeup, do not go to bed with your makeup on. It's a no-no. My second tip would be drink water. I cannot stress enough. I think I feel like I say this all the time, but drink your water. It's great to flush out all the toxins in our body, and it will do your skin a whole lot of good by making sure you stay hydrated and drink as much water as you can. Okay? My third tip would be to try and incorporate some sort of exercise into your life. You don't have to join a gym. You can go for a walk. Anything that gets your heart rate sort of beating a bit faster than normal. Anything that makes you sweat just that little bit is great for the skin. Trust me. So try and exercise in some sort of form as much as you can. Okay. My fourth tip would be your diet. As you guys know, or if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I follow the ketogenic lifestyle. However, I'm not saying that that's what you need to do to have good skin. Absolutely not. But my advice with regards to diet would be reduce sugar in your life. Reduce the amount of sugar that you consume. Sugar ages you. It really does. So you need to make sure that you try and eat as little sugar as possible. Make them more like treats, not things that you consume on a daily basis. And yeah, just try and live as sugar-free as possible, as much as minimize the amount of sugar that you consume. And trust me when I say that you would see a difference in the quality of your skin. Still on the topic of diet, try and, as you reduce the sugar, try and incorporate good fats into your diet. Things like avocados, things like olive oils, good quality fats into your diet. Things like mackerels, things of that nature. Fats that are quality and would benefit or beneficial to your skin. Try and incorporate that into your diet on a daily basis. My next tip will be SPF, SPF, SPF. I cannot stress enough, especially for my melanin sisters and brothers. We still, burn. Sun still damages our skin. Even though we have, we're black, we still can have skin damage from the sun. So you need to make sure that you have a moisturizer that basically has SPF in it. So very important. This will slow down aging because sun damages the skin and obviously will make it age faster if you do not protect your skin. And finally, I know it's hard, but try and reduce stress in your life. Try and get as much sleep as you can. I know life is tough, but try as much as you can to reduce your reaction to the stress that you have in life. Try to worry less, try to sleep more, and just pray more, and you'll be all right. So those are my tips. Now I'm going to get on to showing you my top 5 moisturizers. I apologize in advance that most of them I would say are more high-end moisturizers, and I think I have one that is sort of affordable. I have tried a lot of moisturizers over the years, and even though I have good skin, my skin is very sensitive. I haven't found a lot of affordable moisturizers that work well with my skin. So that's why these are more high-end. But I would be happy to take suggestions in the comment section if you have a bomb affordable moisturizers that you would suggest to me. That would be great. So without further ado, let me share with you my top 5 moisturizers. This one in no particular order. I use 4 of them at night for my nighttime routine, and one of them is the only one that I use during the day. So the first one will be the Philosophy Hope in a jar. Looks like that. It has like a white creamy consistency. You can't see it because obviously the light is washing it out, but it's like it doesn't have too much sort of as you can see, it's like a white, but once you rub it in, it does disappear into the skin. It's not too oily. I don't like oily skin. I don't like oily creams because I have combination skin. So I try to go for creams that are like, you know, not too oily, basically. More like water-based, if that makes sense. The next one will be my Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. That looks like this. Again, very similar to the Philosophy one. Not oily at all, as you can see. This one, you know, doesn't even have a white. It just basically disappears into the skin. Next one is the Olehenriksen Rush Brightening Gel Cream. As you guys know, I murder this name all the time. Actually, for my UK friends, Olehenriksen is now available in the UK. You can get it from Boots. I think you have to order it online though. Just in case you don't know, they are available in the UK, which is amazing. So again, sort of like a not too oily cream that basically just melts into the skin. This is the only affordable one that I have in my collection, and this is the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. That looks like that. There's something they all have in common, which is I don't like oily creams. So as you can see, this one again just basically melts into the skin and it doesn't leave any sort of oily. It's not oily at all. So those are the kind of creams that I gravitate towards. And they moisturize the face very well, but you don't have to have that oily feeling. So my last moisturizer is the only one that I use during the day, and this one has SPF in it. And this is the Murad Age Balancing Moisture, and it has SPF 30. I love this cream because for us chocolate melanin sisters, it's not that kind of SPF cream that leaves you looking blue or purple or just some funny shade. Basically comes out in white like that. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just going to apply it to my hand. And as you can see, it does disappear into the skin. Doesn't leave any funny color. And again, it's not too oily. It's just right. And it would give you all the protection you need. So those are my top 5 moisturizers. I'm not saying that you using this moisturizers would work for you. I'm not saying that it's the best in the market. I'm just saying that this is what I use. And these are the ones that I have enjoyed. I would love to know what creams you use, what moisturizers you use, what moisturizers you swear by. And if you have any suggestions for affordable moisturizers, I would love to hear them. So leave your comments in the comment section. They will be greatly appreciated. Age is just a number for me. I'm glad that I look this good at nearly 40. And if I have one advice for you guys, it's just to tell you that take care of yourself. Feed yourself with the best in terms of whatever it would be beneficial nutritionally for your body. And once you feel your best, you look your best, you will be your best. Wow, that was really deep. It's just a skincare video. Anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I appreciate you. And I'll catch you guys in another video very soon. Take care, guys. Bye. It's indescribable. This love is powerful.